How to delete your Bumble account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily delete your Bumble account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to delete your Bumble account, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open a Bumble. Then what you want to do is you make sure you're logged into your account, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you're here, you want to simply tap on the settings, the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're in the settings, what you want to do is simply scroll down to the very bottom, and below the logout option, as you can see there, you should see the delete account option. Simply tap on delete account option, and you can see it'll ask you to choose why do you want to delete your account, whether you found someone, billing problems, didn't have a great experience and others. Then you can simply choose the option. Then you want to simply tap on delete account. If you want to tell about it, then you can tell too, but I'll just tap on delete account, and once you do so, it will ask you for prompts and you'll be able to delete your account. So this is how you can delete your Bumble account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.